You don't quit because you're lazy. You quit because the excitement died. At the beginning, every new goal feels electric. A new workout plan, a new side hustle, a new morning routine. For a moment, you feel unstoppable, like this time will finally be different. And your brain loves that feeling. It floods you with dopamine, the chemical that makes new things exciting. But here's the catch. Dopamine doesn't reward consistency. It rewards novelty. That means the rush is strongest at the start, and it fades the moment repetition begins. That's why after a week, you feel the drag. After a month, you're ready to quit. And when you do, you don't just give up on the goal, you train your brain to associate quitting with relief. That cycle is what keeps repeating. Let me give you a story. There was this guy who kept joining gyms. Every January, same routine. He'd buy new shoes, download the best workout app, go hard for 2 weeks, and then disappear. By March, he was out. He thought, maybe fitness just isn't for me. But one year, he tried something different. He stopped chasing intensity. Instead, he made one rule: move for 10 minutes every day. That's it. Some days it was a jog, some days just stretching. No hype, no pressure. And slowly, it stuck. 6 months later, he wasn't ripped, but he was consistent. And that identity shift, from someone who quits to someone who shows up, changed everything. The point is this: you don't need more motivation. You need a bridge between excitement and identity, because interest will always fade. What lasts is who you believe you are. Think of brushing your teeth. You don't do it because it's fun. You do it because it's who you are, a person who takes care of themselves. The same rule applies to bigger things. That's how writers build books. That's how athletes build careers. Not by waiting for excitement, but by building discipline into identity. And here's the paradox. Interest doesn't create consistency. Consistency creates interest. So if you've been losing interest in everything you start, stop chasing the spark. Build the habit. Build the identity. The spark fades. The hype fades. But identity, that stays. And once you build that, you won't have to chase motivation. You'll become the kind of person who keeps going, even when it's boring.